Hi guys, it's your girl Miss Tifa. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'll be showing you guys how I install a sew-in with the lace closure. Guys, I will be using bundles 24, 26, 28 in texture straight, along with a 16-inch 5x5 transparent lace closure. Okay guys, we're gonna hop right in. Right now guys, I'm just starting the braiding foundation. Guys, for the most part, I do add braiding hair to the foundation just for more security. And guys, this part, I did prolong this section. So if you already know how to do a braid foundation, you can fast forward this part. But to the people who don't, this is for you. So guys, I'm coming to the end of my first braid, and basically what I'm going to do with the next braid, I'm going to connect this first braid to the second braid. Then I'm going to do that maybe about 5 times down on each side, the right and the left side. Again, I'm adding braid in here, and now you guys will see what I meant. I'm going to take the first braid and add it to the current braid when I get to the bottom. So basically I'm just connecting each braid that I braided before. That's me connecting it. Again, I believe I did this about five rows back on each side. And guys, this is like the most important part of your sew-in. If your foundation is off, your whole sew-in will be off. Again, I'm connecting the braid. Again, I'm just repeating the same exact step. And yes, when I'm doing people hair, we be having therapy, and it doesn't necessarily be sad. Like, we just be having a good Judy time. So yes, you guys will see with all my models, I talk with them. We have a good Judy time in that chair. So yes, I believe this is the last braid on this side, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. And then I'm going to bring it around the back and braid the back into a beehive. In other words, a circular motion. So right here, as you can see, I already did the same exact thing on the opposite side. And right now, I'm just braiding it in a circular motion. A circular braiding pad, whatever you want to call it. And that right there is how I braid my foundation for a lace closure sew-in. And guys, I do oil everyone's scalp that I do their hair. This model, I'm doing the same exact thing. I also put a weaving net on each sew-in that I do. And this right here is about preference. You could get the same look without a weaving net. Me personally, I feel like this lasts a little longer. And it's really good if you plan on washing your your installs. Right here, I'm just showing you the Sally Hansen airbrush spray, because for the most part, I don't bleach my closures or frontals. So basically, I just sprayed that on it to make it look like scalp. It wasn't even her color, but we finessed it. We made it work. Like so. It's a little on the dark side for her, but I'll show you guys how I fixed that. I sewed the band on the closure, put the band around the perimeter, guys, then proceeded to sew the closure. I do right to left, then I sew the back of the closure last. And guys, when using the band, don't forget to oil around the perimeter. This is my pink glam hair from my hairline. Why was I about to say from my clothing line? And guys, I use the flip over method when I'm doing sewings for the most part. So right here I'm sewing on the band, and I also double the tracks. And guys, when I be talking my eyebrows, oh my goodness, they go up, down, and around. I could be talking about something real funny and I'll be looking so mean. And so right here, I'm just showing you guys how I just install. And basically, I'll be doing the same exact thing, just flipping it over, sewing it back. And besides, I really love the flip over method because, you know, you don't have to cut as many tracks. And then that way, you know, it's easier when you take it out and when it's time for you to rewash it. And for reinstallment, of course, it's much better. And I'm just basically doing the same exact thing all the way up. I just have the client hold the front of the closure while I sew the last track. And right here, guys, I'm just giving her a silk press. I love to press hair out. It's my absolute fave. I love it. And guys, if you looked at my previous video, you know I got these flat irons from Marshalls for about $25, I believe. I can't remember, $25 or $35, but I know they're over $100 normally. I love a clean press out. OMG, this is my absolute fave, guys. So now, guys, what I'm just moving on to the closure for the, and basically I just parted down the middle. I'm putting some heat with the hot comb to get it as flat as possible. And basically I kept repeating the same step. Alright, so now guys, what I'm doing, I'm taking my Ruby Kisses makeup just to define the part. Remember guys, when I told you that it was a little light, excuse me, a little dark. So basically I made it lighter. And basically I'm just going in, I'm taking my black high beam spray, and I'm just redefining the part a little more. And guys, pretty much I'm finished. Guys, if you like this video, I ask that you subscribe, comment, and like. And again, this is just the finished look. Thanks so much, guys, for watching my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.